Let's see how can we make this. Go to layer section, right click, duplicate this layer and then click OK. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur and put a radius in 8 and then click OK. Go to rectangle section, rounded rectangle, draw a rounded rectangle, make sure this has no strokes, make sure it has a color to white and then click OK. Choose this tab, open the layer section, make sure the rectangle is below the duplicated object and make clip masking. You can attain the rectangle which is blurred. Go to rectangle tool, go to blending option. In this blending option, click on overlay and make this to 5. Go to strokes and add color to white and the strokes to 4 point and make opacity to 50. Go to inner shadow, change the color to white and click OK. Blend mode to normal. Make opacity to 8. Go to drop shadow and click the color and change to white and then click OK, so that you can get a glass effect inside the rectangle. For more tutorials, do follow and subscribe the YouTube channel.